Hello and welcome. You're watching Budget of Hope, an initiative by ICICIdirect.com. And now I have with me a very special guest, Mr. Rishi Nathani, Head Business Development and Marketing, Multi-Commodity Exchange of India, MCX. Welcome, Mr. Nathani.
Thank you, Ketu.
Let's talk about budget. Union budget is round the corner. What is your wish list with respect to commodities?
So the commodity markets have been growing a lot in the last few years, thanks to the regulator and the government with a host of measures encouraging new products and participants in the markets. However, we feel that there's still scope for doing something more. So there are a couple of issues which I'd like to talk about. One is that there is an issue of GST in deliveries on commodity markets. Normally, in commodity markets, there are various types of GST, applicable depending on the delivery centers and the registered offices of various buyers and sellers. However, as a national exchange, we have delivery centers, members, and participants across the country. And normally, for example, like we have a delivery center, say for copper in Bhiwandi. Now, the buyer could be in another state, the seller could be in a different state, and the delivery center is in Bhiwandi. So, there is always an issue of application of GST. Therefore, it is our request that the GST laws be amended so that for national exchanges, IGST could be made applicable across all transactions, which would make transactions more smooth and allow for a larger amount of transactions and seamless transactions across the commodity exchanges. So that is one point.
Right.
The second point I'd like to make is domestic hedging should be encouraged much more. For example, in March 2018, RBI came with a circular where it disallowed gold from being hedged abroad. And thereafter, you saw a very large increase in participation in domestic exchanges. So it is our request that hedgers be encouraged in the domestic markets rather than hedging abroad. This would serve various purposes. One, it would increase depth and liquidity in our domestic markets. And when the larger hedgers start participating, it will also encourage SMEs and MSMEs to participate on our domestic markets. The increased hedging would also reduce the risks associated with the commodities in the companies which are, either not hedging or hedging less than what they require. Also, what it would do is add to government revenues in terms of transaction costs and the taxes on transactions in India. It would lead an audit trail and preserve forex from going abroad for margins or for mark-to-market payments. So these are factors where you will get hedgers, you will get retail investors, and this will add to liquidity, depth, and the entire robustness of the commodity markets. The point being that in China, you see that there's a large retail participation, and that is the reason why Chinese markets are so robust. And we need to make that in India as well. So we need both retail and hedgers. Now, India is one of the largest commodity producers or consumers. And it is our desire and wish that we should be the price setters, not the price takers. And to do that, we need to encourage domestic trading. In fact, Make in India will be successful if we can price in India as well as trade in India. So that is our wish list.
Right. Lots of hope from the Budget 21. What is your opinion on the initiative of a Budget of Hope with ICICI Direct?
It's a great initiative because, this year we are just emerging from a pandemic. We don't know how further we will, take. And hope is the right term to coin for the budget because there's so many hopes. I mean, I really don't envy the finance minister because she's got such a tightrope to walk because the whole country's hopes are resting on her shoulders as well as she has to manage the government's finances. So, it is a budget of hope. Everyone wants to get back to on the track to growth. And this is a great initiative by ICICI Securities. And thank you for calling me.
Thank you, Mr. Nathani, for being with us, sharing your views. It was a pleasure talking to you.
My pleasure. Thank you, Kate.
That's it for now. Keep watching this space for more.